Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday laid the foundation stone of University in Polbaum, Uttar Pradesh, named after prominent Jat King freedom fighter and social reformer from region Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh. Apart from the educational benefits for the people, the BJP hopes to reap great political advantage from the Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh State University, a massive education project in Aligarh. It is being seen an effort to win back the dominant Jat community in Western UP, the hotbed of the farmers' agitation against the three central farm laws and sugarcane prices. Jats, both Hindu and Muslim, constitute a sizable population in the Western UP. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath called the Uttar Pradesh Defence Industrial Corridor and Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh State University biggest gift to the region on the occasion of Radha Ashtami. He also spoke of the arrear payment to sugarcane farmers and other benefits to the farmers by the government. BJP leaders say the university is being established by the state government in the memory and honor of the Jat leader who remained unacknowledged for his contribution to the country. Singh had released land to the AMU in 1929, leading BJP and RSS leaders demand that the university be named after him. A controversy erupted when some local BJP leaders demanded that the AMU be renamed after him as it was built on the land donated by late Raja. Following this, Yogi Adityanath announced that a state-level university named after him would be set up in Aligarh. According to Deputy Chief Minister Dinesh Sharma, establishing the State University in the name of Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh is the state government's way of paying tribute to the man who devoted more than 3 decades of his life living in exile and fighting for India's freedom but remained unsung. The university is being set up in total area of over 92 acres at Lodha village and Newsfoot Karim Jaroli village of Aligarh's South Tehsil. It will provide affiliation to 395 colleges of Aligarh division. PM Narendra Modi said the university is a way to recognize the contribution of Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh towards nation building from which every youth in the country can learn. The PM said Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh wanted freedom for country and dedicated his entire life to achieve that. However, his contribution was ignored. He said the mistakes of 20th century are being rectified by 21st century India. Whatever it is Maharaja Suheldev or Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh, an honest attempt is being made to recognize their contribution. For India's freedom, he travelled across the world without worrying about his own life. I want to tell the youth, whenever they feel a challenge or find some difficulty, they should remember Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh.
साथियों, आज देश के हर उस युवा को जो बड़े सपने देख रहा है, जो बड़े लक्ष्य पाना चाहता है, उसे राजा महेंद्र प्रताप सिंह जी के बारे में अवश्य जानना चाहिए, अवश्य पढ़ना चाहिए। राजा महेंद्र प्रताप सिंह जी के जीवन से हमें अदम्य इच्छा शक्ति, अपने सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए कुछ भी कर गुजरने वाली जीवटता आज भी हमें सीखने को मिलती है। वो भारत की आजादी चाहते थे और अपने जीवन का एक एक पल उन्होंने इसी के लिए समर्पित कर दिया था। उन्होंने सिर्फ भारत में ही रहकर और भारत में ही लोगों को प्रेरित नहीं किया, बल्कि वो भारत की आजादी के लिए दुनिया के कोने कोने में गए। अफगानिस्तान हो, पोलैंड हो, जापान हो, दक्षिण अफ्रीका हो, अपने जीवन पर हर खतरा उठाते हुए वो भारत माता को बेड़ियों से आजाद करने के लिए जुटे रहे, जी जान से जुटे रहे, जीवन भर काम करते रहे। मैं आज के युवाओं से कहूंगा कि जब भी मेरे देश के युवाएं, मेरी इस बात को गौर से सुनिए, मैं देश के युवाओं को कहूंगा कि जब भी उन्हें कोई लक्ष्य कठिन लगे, कुछ मुश्किलें नजर आए, तो मेरा आपसे अनुरोध है वो आप राजा महेंद्र प्रताप सिंह जी को जरूर याद करना, आपका हौसला बुलंद हो जाए।
Calling it a big day for Western UP where Radha Ashtami is being celebrated today, he also invoked Kalyan Singh, the OBC leader who passed away recently. He also recounted the infrastructure project in Polban, UP, including the defense corridor in Aligarh by the Yogi Adityanath government.